Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm Steve as usual. And tonight I want to talk to you a little bit about a six-figure play that I'm banking on a 5-year investment with Tesla, right? And I also want to talk about a little bit about something that a lot of people don't talk about, or I haven't heard many people speak about with Tesla. And it was one of the deciding factors when I was doing my research of why I decided to buy this stock and hold it for some time, or perhaps forever, depending on, you know, how the future holds. So check it out. Let's get into it. First thing first, right? Um, the stock 10 days ago was $280, right? Now I'm looking at it today. The stock was up all the way up to $310, right? Now we got Fed Chair Powell tomorrow giving his statement on how many basis points they're going to raise, you know, these rates. And with all the uncertainty in the market, and the unpredictability, with the market dropping, multiple straight days, and we early in this thing, in this storm, in a recession, and a lot of people not knowing what's going on and what they're going to do with their money. The price of food and stuff is high, and just trying to curb the inflation is a chore in itself. This stock is still rising. That's amazing to me. Now think about it. You're sitting here, it's almost got $1 trillion market cap, right? One of the biggest businesses out there. But a lot of the measurables, if you look at the stats on the stock, they don't go with conventional wisdom would tell you not to mess with this stock, right? But you've got to look at it. This right here is a long-term play, and it's led by a visionary, Elon Musk. The man is trying to do things to make the planet better. He's trying to make life easier for human beings, and he's trying to make he's very innovative, and he's trying to just innovate. We'll just put it like that. I'm tongue-tied, but the stock has a PE ratio of 109, right? And normally you would say, I'm not going to mess with it. Earning per share of $2.78. But for some reason, this stock, regardless of what it is, how the numbers look, it rises in any market condition. Now, yeah, they just had a stock split last month, right? And we're early in the split. The reason why I brought up the fact that we're early in the split is because I brought post split. Right after they split, I brought some shares, right? I haven't seen Tesla that low in a while. I mean, I wasn't keeping up with it like that, but looking back at it, I feel good about the price I brought in, 280s, right? Now, with the amount of shares I've dollar cost average and I brought all at one time, if history stands correct, because it says something about if you invested $1,000 in Tesla 5 years ago, you would have had over $12,000. If that is the case, guys, with the amount of money I put in this, in 5 years, I will have a $218,000, hit off of my investment, which I'm banking on. Now, the thing that's cool about the situation and why I'm excited the most and prompted me to do this video is because, like I said, we're early in the split. And when Fed Chair Powell tomorrow announces what's going to happen, I don't know if Tesla's going to drop or not. But if it does, this is one of those stocks you definitely want to keep an eye on if you want growth in your portfolio, or you want to consider yourself, a little bit aggressive or risky. Because Tesla right here, man, it seems like it's hands down. It's hands down for me a winner. It's not just cars. You're dealing with Elon Musk. The man's a visionary. You got the Tesla truck. You got more than EV. You got he's doing all kind of things with space. He's trying to get it. They got the AI robotics. You know what I mean? The man has his hands in a lot of different things, a lot of different directions, but they all have a common goal, and being innovative and changing the world for us all for the better. So I can't argue with that. I like the man as a person. You know what I mean? I believe, he's sincere and honest and all of that stuff, going forward with what he's trying to achieve. You see the steps he's taking and you see everything in physically of what he's doing. So that's one thing. Another thing is Tesla's a well respected brand. Nowadays, if you have a Tesla and you pull up to a job interview or any type of business meeting, people will be like, oh, okay, because it's like considered a prestigious brand. Before, Tesla was like, oh, okay, you might be a hippie or something. I don't want to use the words, but like, people looked at you like, oh, you one of those type. Now it's kind of like, oh, he got a Tesla, he doing good for himself, or he got himself together. So that should tell you a little bit about, how the man has transformed his brand and it's well respected now, right? You got factories here, you got factories all over, and the thing is growing. Tesla is paving the way for all this other EV technology. So, and I don't see nobody catching it no time soon because it's more than Tesla than just cars, like I said in the beginning. But I honestly believe that Tesla will be between $550 to $575 by December. That's 4 months from now, guys. I'll almost have doubled my money from the investment I've made in shares. Another thing I'm going to talk about: dollar cost averaging. If you guys got Robinhood, I mean, the stock is $308 right now, and it's gonna go lower between now and it'll have dips. It's a stock, and it'll be times coming. It'll be times you can go and buy it, but like we still early in the split. So if you guys can get some of this, hell, three shares. If you can muster up $1,000, history says you can get 12,000 in return. Over time. But I mean, you never know. And the thing that's crazy and the thing that's good, this is the best time to invest. Everybody talk about the wealth transfer, and when this thing kicks over, a whole lot of portfolios are going to take off. What stock do you think is going to be in a lot of them portfolios? That's right, Tesla is going to be in there. Tesla made a lot of millionaires before. Every time they have a stock split, somebody catches on. Like me, I caught on late. They catch on and they dump the money in there. They set it, they forget it, and they move on. All of a sudden, you look, boom, the portfolio's up. I'm a millionaire. A lot of people took the risk on this stock, and it paid off. So why not me? Why not? I'm comfortable with where my portfolio was before I made this investment, and I haven't been buying in a while. When the market started falling, they started talking about the recession and all that. But I mean, from where I'm at in life right now, and where I see my portfolio going 5 years, 10 years from now, I'm trying to retire early. And I think Tesla's going to help me achieve that goal. And that's the thing about stocks, man. I love it. You never know what's going to happen. It's exciting. If you do your due diligence and your homework and you study and you do the history of what you're investing in, just watching it grow is exciting. I can't stress that enough, especially if you're a new investor, man. You got to really, now I'm not telling nobody to go out here and buy Tesla and all that, or, I'm an advocate for preaching to Elon Musk or this company, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing, what I like, where I feel good at, and where I'm trying to go in life with this investment. But yeah, man, if you could just drop me a comment. I just want to share that with you guys tonight. Just drop me a comment. Tell me if you got Tesla. Tell me what your plans are in the next 5 years. If Fed Chair Powell makes this announcement with these basis point rate hike, are you going to buy more Tesla? I'd like to know. We can talk about it. But as always, man, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good night, and thanks for listening to me. Take care.